Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is yet to come. We only have today. So, let us begin. Good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir Ashti Nagpur, a team with a dream belief that one thing to learn from the life is that getting upset will not sort out any issues. But getting up in life and set the things right will help a lot in life. It is a pleasure to announce that Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Ashti has released Bhavan's Footprints Lockdown Edition on 15th June 2020. Our school has kept marching ahead in this time and hence the show must go online. So, here presenting the first event of session 2020-21, the International Yoga Day. As blinded by the darkness of coronavirus, yoga can help us fight against it by increasing our immunity. So, I request our Honorable Principal Srimati Vandana Bisen Ma'am to please enlighten today's day by lighting the lamp.
Samvo manas janata Sangatatvam sangadvatvam Samvo manas janata Samano mantrah samiti samani Samano mantrah samiti samani Samanam mana sahajita mesham Sangachatvam samvadatvam samvo manansi janata.
I request Advika Lunde of class 9 to please take the charge for the further events.
Yoga is not an exercise but a way of life in India. Traditionally, it was just an exercise regime, but looking deeper, it is more of a lifestyle. Outwardly, they are poses to improve the stamina, flexibility, and youthfulness of an individual. But when done correctly and regularly, it acts as a barricade for every negative influence of the modern lifestyle. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, proposed 21st June as Yoga Day. As expected, the first takers of this idea were from all over the world, and hence 21st June is now celebrated as International Yoga Day. It is a matter of real pride to see the ancient knowledge houses of India leading the world residents towards a perfect balance of healthy mind and healthy body. On this International Yoga Day, I wish the same for all of you.
The COVID-19 crisis is a reminder that people cannot take health lightly. They have to build immunity, and that is possible only through exercising and practicing yoga every day. During lockdown, people are bound to feel frustrated, anxious or agitated. as the sense of security one takes for granted is lost. I would suggest an hour of yoga in the morning as well as in the evening every day. A few rounds of 4 to 5 simple asanas will help maintain flexibility and improve overall health. A number of studies back up that regular practice of yoga and meditation can help increase lung capacity, manage health conditions that put you at risk of contracting coronavirus. Making healthier lifestyle choices such as adding yogic breathing techniques to your daily routine, practicing good hygiene, and following other guidelines will go a long way in preventing the spread of coronavirus. Thank you.
Importance of yoga. Yoga is an art which joins individual self to universal self. So here I am to emphasize importance of yoga in our daily life. Practicing yoga regularly helps us to build our willpower and keeps our mind fresh. It releases physical as well as mental stress and thus acts as a stress buster. It helps us to increase our concentration and keeps our body active. It strengthens our body and increases our immunity, which helps us to fight against diseases. Other physical exercises help us to build our body and make us powerful. But yoga enriches our mind, refreshes our soul, replenishes our thoughts. So let us take some look at asanas. Padmasana, the cross-legged meditation pose. Its benefits are it stretches knees as well as ankles and calms our brain. Naukasana, the boat-shaped asana. It helps us to increase our digestion and reduce our belly fat. So these were some asanas and importance of yoga. Now I would like to request all my friends, teachers as well as parents to start performing yoga.
Warm-up exercise. A warm-up is a session which takes place prior to doing physical activity. Usually, a warm-up will consist of light cardiovascular exercises combined with stretches. The warm-up should gently prepare the body for doing exercises by gradually increasing the heart rate and circulation. This will loosen the joints and increase the blood flow to the muscles. Stretching the muscles prepare them for doing physical activity and prevents injuries. Let's begin. Pranamasana. In Pranamasana, the palms are held together in a prayer pose. The word pranam has a Sanskrit root and it means to pay respect. Pranamasana relaxes the mind and soul, brings awareness and enhances body posture. Tadasana. Tadasana, mountain pose or Samastihi, is a standing asana in modern yoga as exercise. It is done by stretching hands upwards and lifting the heels of the feet and maintaining posture while standing on toes. Utkat Asana. The name comes from the Sanskrit word Utkata, meaning wild and frightened. In Utkat Asana, the knees are bent by maintaining distance between the feet. Utkat Asana also stretches the shoulders and opens the chest. It tones your digestive organs and heart. Ardhakati Chakrasana. Ardh means half, Kati means waist, Chakra means wheel. In this posture, we form a half wheel with our waist. This posture increases elasticity of lateral region. Lateral thoracic muscles are stretched and blood is supplied to them. Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose or diamond pose, is a kneeling posture in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. This posture helps to flexible the joints and open up the ligament. Yoga Mudra. In this posture, you have to bend while you are in Vajrasana so that your hands are back and your head is touching to the ground. It prevents the cramps and waist pain. Parvatasana. Parvatasana or the mountain pose is a part of sun salutation series of asana. In this posture, you need to sit in Sukhasana and stretch your hands joining up. It helps to smoothen function of your shoulder. Omkar, the dot of Om, is known as Bindu. The yogis meditate regularly on that Bindu. Chanting of Omkar enables the yogi to fulfill all desires. Desire for healthy body, mind, soul, peace and calmness. They are able to concentrate on all these things just because the sound of Om makes an equilibrium environment to fulfill all these desires. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotional calm and stable state. Meditation may be used with the aim of reducing stress and anxiety, depression and pain, and increasing peace, perception and calmness.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं प्रणतोऽस्मि गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
On behalf of our school, Harvard Street Vidya Mandir, ASTI, and entire sports department, I extend a heartfelt gratitude to our mentor and guiding light, respected Principal Ma'am, Srimati Vanna Bisay Ma'am, without whose guidance, encouragement, and cooperation, this event would not have been possible. Thank you, ma'am. No event can be successful without proper planning, arrangements, and contribution on the part of each and every member of the organizing team. They all deserve acknowledgement for putting up a great show. I express my thanks to all the parents for sparing the precious time to watch this program. Last but not the least, I would like to express my deepest sense of gratitude and appreciation for all the students who participated in this event wholeheartedly and enthusiastically. Thank you very much.